guys, so this is Siddharth, currently Vice President of Decoder. So you might have got some basic idea about the channel, that what we would be doing in this channel from the promo video. Now, before giving the in detail idea and the clarity about the channel, I would like to give you a small overview of what Decoder is. So Decoder DTU is a technical society of DTU having 200 plus active students, and we are like a community. So we share our experiences, our thought process, what we have learned till now, and we also guide the students, juniors, about what they should be doing in their first year, in their second year. We also conduct various webinars of different industrial experts, so that we are aware of different technologies in the industries. We also prepare for hackathons, and we make teams for hackathons. We do multiple projects on different technologies. We prepare for internships, placements, and so on and so on. Now you might be wondering why we came to YouTube. So the primary reason of coming onto the YouTube is what we are doing with the 200 or 300 students of our society. All these various experiences and guidance we wanted to share with a greater audience. So we decided to come on YouTube and share with all those people who are not able to get all these experiences and information just because they don't have any societies in their college, or if they have societies, they are not that much functional. So we would like to help you all on that. Now the other question arises is, what type of content would be posted in this channel? Like, how would I be benefited from this? You might be thinking, all right, so we would be posting various types of content. Now the first video will be the solution of important interview questions. We would be covering all the important interview questions of LeetCode, and we'll be providing you the solutions, so that you get to know like different approaches. What are the different approaches? What is the brute force approach? What is its time complexity? What is the most optimal approach? So it will definitely help you all in your interview preparation. So the second type of video would be of interview experiences. So we'd be inviting different students who have cracked MNCs such as Google, Microsoft, Adobe, Samsung, and various other companies. So they would be sharing their experiences, what you should do, what are the questions which are asked in interview, what are the mistakes they have committed in their interview, so that you don't commit those mistakes. Now the third type of video would be the experiences from the one who have cracked hackathons or competitive competitions such as ICPCs and hackathons like Smart India Hackathon. So they would be sharing their experiences that how we should be preparing for hackathons and how we can also win the hackathons. So the next type of content would be a learning or a informational based content. In that type of content, we would be posting content such as what is GitHub, how to use GitHub, what is LinkedIn, how to use LinkedIn, what are the different things which we should remember while starting our coding journey, and all other various learnings and informational videos. In this type of video, we will be also including important updates of different competitive competitions and the hackathons which are going to be conducted in the next month or next to next month, so that you all are aware of that competitions. Now the other type of content which we would be pushing onto this channel would be the complete roadmap of every technologies. Now, as a beginner, I also faced so much problem that how to start and from where to start my development journey. For example, like I want to do a web development. So from where to start, what are the resources which I can consume? So for that, we will give you an in detail roadmap so that you can follow that, and it would be easy for you to learn from that. So we would be giving a complete roadmap for machine learning, Android development using Java, Kotlin, or Flutter, and the roadmap for web development. So these all would be an in detail roadmap so that you can easily follow them and learn, and they will include all the free resources. We would be also posting some personality development related videos, so that you don't only just focus on your coding skills but can also improve your personality as well. So we will be posting some related to how we should be talking with others, what we should keep in mind while doing conversation or negotiating with others. So you would be looking onto that type of videos as well. So I think you don't want to miss all these amazing videos which would be posting every day at 6 p.m. So if you don't want to miss these videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't miss to like this video. And yes, we will meet you at 6 p.m. every day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.